Okay, guys, what's up? Here we are today. This is my dog. Check him out. Percy. Sweet. So, I think you guys know what time it is. Look what I'm standing next to. Ooh.
Time for a Dorito.
Yes. Tell them about your eating problems and how you ate Dad's donut.
No.
No.
I only ate half of his donut.
And then you ate the rest of it. So, anyways, back to what I was saying. Look what I'm standing at. You know what time it is. What's in the fridge? Okay, it looks like we have orange juice and milk. Some okay looking strawberries. Something in here. I wonder what this is. Ooh. Oh, just butter. Onions, another big turd looking wiener thing, I don't know, and a dead body, ha! So that's it for what's in here, it looks like not much, more butter, oh well, is that frozen urine? Nope, it's jelly. There's Percy! Ah!